At first blush, it may seem there is no common thread between Dr. David Jackson's many areas of interest and expertise. Look again. The man who was a driving force behind the BGSU Faculty Association's first 2 collective bargaining agreements is the same man who appears on national and international media talking about the role of celebrities in politics, and is the same man who every Sunday morning takes to the radio airwaves to celebrate Polish-American polka music. The common thread is service. Dr. Jackson serves his fellow faculty members by enthusiastically accepting his leadership role in collective bargaining. His actions on grievance committees and his presentations on organizing faculty continue to make an impact here on campus and around the country. His service provides an important voice to represent the concerns of faculty about the future of higher education. Dr. Jackson's unique perspectives on U.S. politics have also earned him national and international recognition. His insight regarding the role of celebrities in politics has resulted in attention from dozens of stateside media outlets, as well as the BBC and the CBC. His service has helped frame the emerging role of celebrity on political thought through a lens of academic research and civic responsibility. And for 2 hours every Sunday morning, he proudly serves the polka music-loving residents of Northwest Ohio by presenting his Sunday morning polka radio show. So as you can see, with Dr. David Jackson, you have myriad interests and unique specialties, all bound together with the common thread of service, which makes it fitting for him to be honored with the title of Professor of Service Excellence.